weed you give me that day, body now, you give me a nice buzz now. You know, no more weed. You can't give me face smoke. Like that.
I'm not getting no more weed, bad man. I just give you a biz bag. And you not pay for the weed them. Last week me give you weed. Yesterday me give you weed. This morning up in 1 o'clock me give you weed, and just a while ago me give you weed. Brother, you're too greedy, brother. I'm paying for the man weed. No laughing no bad man. Acha.
And keep it changed, you know.
Oi! What is? You still owe me. What is?
So how much more you? How much more you then? How much more you?
See, I write it down and it say you Huga. You owe 12 grand and you give me 5, so that's 7 grand that. You know what? See boss here. I'm gonna need it.
What go on here?
There in a car park. I have everything, you know. Guess what? Kinda short, you see. But watch out now. Can tell you what one, you see, it's one youth, you see, man. I tell you, say, be a foolish, you see, man, going and go round.
Yeah, how much you have now? You hear me now, Ria?
Yeah.
You hear me now, Ria? You say if I never Ricky or your father, you must deal with it like one of them regret the outer road, you know. But here, you're one good girl, you know. So I know you have to put your thing together still, because here one now. I really come up short still, you know. I really come up short. I open another red board there when I see you sit down with, you know. Just open another red board there, you know. Because them board there, some boy love sit down and smoke weed, you know.
Yeah.
You see me? They love to sit down and smoke weed, but anyway, I hear a place and I hear I run it still, you know. Because you don't know, say, you know, and every one of them will really come up with their money same time still. So I'm not going to really pressure you as when I say, first, you're really short. You see me? You're really short. So, as when I tell you, say, your father was a good man, you know. And he was good to we went and we young too, so I'm not going to really make you feel the end of the bargain, you see me? But here, put your thing together, everything now, man, you see me? Bless up yourself, man.
Yeah, man.
You see me?
Yeah.
Oh, Rhea! Watch out, man. I met this a shot, this a trip, you know. So just, you know how to deal with it. And you just put the rest upon that and you know so it come down, you see me? Yeah, man, let's go and run the place, man. Right now, I have to call the boss and deal with the boss, because you don't know. You see me? You big up yourself here, man. Be short, you hear that? One thing.
Mama, forward now. You have to get back your money. Forward, man. I move like you don't want forward, son.
Listen to me. I only deal with customers who pay me. Customers will take out their money said time when me take out the weed said time. You need to come off my sidewalk. You know see what I get brusky now. You want it? Get up, man.
You
I'll find something to do.
Say, me go look something to do with my life. Me are your customer. You may buy weed from. Where you want to do weed for your life?
I don't want you to feel like a style, me a style you. Like a people things me I deal with, and me have to get out of it for food and for my education and for myself. Now, like you, where the and people things, and me have to use it for food. Me have to take out of it for myself, for food, education, and myself. And I like you, where the pants. And I like you when I work and do nothing. You need to get up and push yourself and try to something. Sit down on sidewalk is just a hobby. It's not a career, sir. Selling me never man. Say selling weed is a career either, but that's something me I do.
You can't tell me how to live my life. My life now affect you or nobody. I can't tell me how to live my life. I want to so I smoke weed. Sit down and all the vibes every day.
You know what?
So here, I'll get the money. Just give me weed.
You alright where you there. Just let me get my money so I can get the people them. I can get my part.
What go on, Peter? Yeah, man. Watch out now. I think they go short, you know. Yeah, man, cause watch out now. The little cat there when me have a hold it down on the south block. Yeah, Rhea. Yeah, man, she come up short, man. Anyway, at first she ever come up to short still, you know. She good, man, a good girl, man. We don't have to bump her off or nothing general. She good, man, I tell you, she good, man. You hear me I say no Peter, man, she good. When me I tell you, she good, she good. A long time she a run this to me, you know, man.
Right, Miss Cross. Because I failed to pay 2 deadlines that have now passed, your student loan has now increased by 500,000 and you need to pay now.
I don't have that, you know. I don't have it.
Right, ma'am, but you do owe a loan and you need to
Yes,
pay.
I understand that. I understand that. So, yeah, yes, but that no means if we just raise it up. Hello? There. When night come, can't go on my bed enough. So what's next on the agenda? Like we keep my mind active.
Yeah, we can do something else. How about some cards?
You ready for me to take money upon poker?
Let's see what you got.
Alright. I'll be the dealer.
Where's your money?
Kenny Rogers says, don't keep your money at the table. I got it right here. Bet or check?
Check.
Check. Bet your 10.
Let's see it. Check.
Check your really check this up. Everything now.
Alright, let me see what it is. So. Well,
Time.
2 pairs. This is where I bet fun.
It's called bluffing.
Yeah, man.
True, me know you always do this. You always want to take home a little bit of money, so me not bring a light come. Sure, me done with poker now. What next? Drinking games. What we have on the agenda?
How about truth or dare?
Truth or dare? I'm gonna run with truth or dare, you know. You sure I can handle it?
It's just fun. Like, you sure you can manage it?
Alright. So you wanna go first then? Truth or dare?
Truth.
I know that goes so soft, you know. But I still have one for you. Be honest with me. Which Jamaican celebrity right now, if they fall with you, so you'd have put it on them? Right now, who?
Papi. Probably Dexter too. One and few.
Mr. Dubs can get it anytime, yes. Poppy, alright, fine. My turn. Let's see what you got.
Truth or dare?
Dare. I'm gonna sound like him.
Okay. Dare. Alright. Me want you right now for 620x. Let me tell you which one. Jason.
Jason? The devil's pitney himself? May I do it still? Alright, you have any suggestions about the message?
That's all you, sis.
Don't ask.
Okay. My turn.
Yes, your turn. And I'm not partial over there right now. It's time for we really play the game. Are you ready? Truth or dare?
Alright, fine. It's fun, right? Dare. And hit me with your best shot.
Trust me, it's not my best, but you'll definitely remember it. Here goes. I want you to cheat on your boyfriend, Brad, and tell him.
Wow. Okay, but Brad is cool, so he'll understand. Who with? Or with who?
Alright. It's all fun, right? With your sexy neighbor.
George.
Mm-hmm.
I've been wanting to do it with George. It's gonna be fun. Alright.
Jason responded. And this is very interesting, but this I feel next time. We'll focus on your dear now.
Yeah. I got a dare to get to, so I'm gonna go. Hi, George.
Hello, who is this?
This is Shan, your neighbor.
Hello?
Hello, is this Miss Williams?
This is she.
I'm calling from the hospital.
I just had it. I just didn't have a reason to use it until now.
So, what's the reason you have to be using it now?
Pick me up at 12. Pick me up at 2.
At 2?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, see you then.
See you then. So we've been neighbors for a while now, a couple years, and I like what I see, but you never make a move yet. So me decided to make the first step.
The first step. I'm glad I made the first step so we can get to the second step. We can't make my move when I know I say in a relationship, so how that part I go?
I am in a relationship, but I'm not looking next relationship. I'm just looking to have a good time.
You wanna have a good time? Good time I gonna get. You know, I'll wait on the food. I get to know each other. How you like the bus stop? That was amazing. So, when we can do this again?
Again? Remember, some have a man, you know. This is just a one-time thing. As a matter of fact, bring me home before my man reach. You're home early.
Boy, I have to left work early today to come see you.
Well, good, because I have something special for you. I cook some food, go and take a shower, and come join me.
Sure.
Oh, by the way, when you come out, I have something to talk to you about. Wait. Before anything, we have to talk. I have to tell you something. Kate and I had a bet. And it was for me to have sex with somebody else. And I did it.
What the fuck?
What do you mean, what? It was just fun. It was just fun and games, and it was all over. But I'm just letting you know that it happened. What do you mean? It was just fun. It was Brad. So,
What?
guess what? I did it.
No. I didn't know you had it in you. So how was it?
It was fun, but Brad's better.
So what about the second part?
Of course I told him. He's a little bit upset about it, but I think he's trying to make it work. We'll see.
You're playing with fire. You're such a bad one, but okay.
But it's fun.
Right? I know, right? So much fun.
So, it's getting kind of late. Can you buy us dinner? Brad cut off all my cards. Cut off all my cash flow, basically. He said it's some kind of a punishment. But it'll just be like for a couple of weeks or so.
Okay. Let's go get dinner then.
Yay! We're crazy. Good.
Sorry I took so long to come, but it's because it's so early. What are you doing here so early?
I could barely sleep last night. Brad cut off the electricity in the house, and there's no food. So I'm kind of stink right now. Oh, we can't wash. He's cut off the electricity for like a couple of days now. So can I do some laundry? Take a shower?
What? So, if there's no electricity or water there, how is Brad staying there?
He has a new house, but it's okay. I'll move in soon. He's just punishing me right now.
Are you sure? This is kind of getting a bit serious. First no money, now no electricity. Are you sure everything is okay?
It's okay. It's gonna be fine. It's not like it's the first time. So, let's go in.
Okay.
I can believe the Brad actually put me out. Yeah, I know, right? Saying he can't make it work after all. He was trying, but he can't. I know, right? He can't take a joke. So I know you're out of town, but did you leave the keys? Can I go over there? All right. All right. In that case, it's your turn. Truth or dare?
You have a nice personality.
Oh my gosh!
No, man.
Show me my
Love
blood.
Love ladies.
So how long
A long time.
And I'm a fan of her now.
I must say, I'm your biggest fan. I was
And true, I can show me a fan more than the whole of them.
Yeah?
I can ever hype me.
yeah.
Fine, whatever.
Yeah. Look here.
That's a number one.
I didn't know her from Dangerous. I didn't know Shan from Dangerous. Where you know her from? You know her from before I come here?
No.
That's it, but she
Just
love me.
me. But she have a nice.
Yes,
Out
sir.
of every girl I
You have
miss
to take one
she.
picture. You have to take one picture with me so that you can make Tori jealous.
I say go.
Okay? You can make Tori jealous. Take one picture.
Taking your foot off them. Hold on. Ready? Ready? Cheese. I'll go like that behind him. Let on the face, I'm trying to get it there.
Nice.
Don't know what's
We'll make Tori jealous on the shore. So yeah, man, I like the best.
We're not get jealous. One different pose.
Kiss.
Yo.
Alton, you're such a pervert. Alton is such a pervert. Let me put your split.
So, you finally get to meet one of your fan them. On your, what I call it, you know.
Richard, gone though.
Yeah.
Yeah, go make a video.
Alright, ready? We don't have anything in here. I'm leaving you guys, unfortunately. I have to go right now.
Tell when your birthday.
My birthday is... It's actually Sunday, but I'm celebrating it on Friday, guys. So you know,
Yeah, September girl, right?
No, October. October 3rd is my birthday, but October 1st at the party, the John's Construction. Make sure you post this video for now so they can know Fountain Road. Come support.
Right.
Yes.
So let's see.
Awesome.
Oh, it is on the market to do the video.
Yeah.
Okay, you something else apart.
Richard is at care. I want at care to do this.
Oh, Richard gone away.
And if you do it
How many are you
Tomorrow.
tomorrow, you have to do it tomorrow.
We don't can do tomorrow when I carry up. Because we are coming far and
Yeah, you can do it when we are leave.
So let's see. Second time down in the place.
January
One time,
January 4th is my birthday. What you guys giving me for my birthday?
Hold on.
I'll tell you, deserve a glass of milk.
5 minutes though.
A glass of milk for your birthday. Just not something normal, nothing like, you know, out of boundary.
Just a nice glass of milk.
Nice glass of hot milk.
Hot milk?
Yeah.
What's going on?
What do you do?
What? Alton, what I feel look like a little thing in your body. Where you say no, acting?
Yeah, so your second time down here filming. How you feel? What go on? Tell about it.
Me just always active and ready up to act in a matter. I be a sweat, me sweat from last night. Me a sweating again.
I'm
sweating. Oh Jesus. I bust be a sweat, me a sweat. And then the funny look like
sweat like we did that.
So how does it feel like something long term?
In terms of what?
Like to me, you know, I just want to film a video for you until...
Listen to me, let me tell you something. You see, as soon as I buy up my equipment for filming and you know...
Tell them so they can donate too.
Listen to me, yeah, of course. Let me tell you something.
Which part of the Instagram?
I am going to be next to Richard. Me tell fire friend last night and I come. But, you know, I'm going to take my time, I work with you know and said way. You know, when my things start, I go get my own after them, everything. It's going to be the best entertainment.
You know what's differently though? Yeah, but I'm not people. I first seen you come here, we have so much, you know, facial expression, like embody the acting so much, like wedding.
Yeah.
Like,
so nobody not come and beat me?
Like how me measure it, like you just embody the character more than, like some form of shyness in the other people, and to me, that's my opinion.
But we have to see, we're not checking levels, let's see, experience.
Remember I've never been in a show before.
You have to go take some picture for your reason, because you don't need picture that more, right?
Why you not take it on the camera?
That's what she want to do, but she want to get
No, take it on the camera and send it to me.
Take it on the camera.
Anytime we take picture, anytime we take picture, I'm on the camera.
Who are you?
I'll send them.
Can pour morning stuff, please?
Unfortunately, there isn't another phone.
You know why I'm going to take the picture of them, so?
Hold on, I'm not here. Where is it now?
You don't want to make you jealous, too? You want to make her jealous more.
Oh, yeah, you want to interview to the fish show? Oh, that's the man. Where are you from?
The camera? Use the camera?
Yeah.
Portland.
Ooh,
alright, that's something too bad.
If I what?
Message me
on portrait one.
On Instagram. It's the same as here.
You can go closer with the middle part, that's all.
With the breast part?
No, like that's all.
Yeah. Same.
Watch fire.
Come on.
Where?
Oh, ready?
We're there in a studio. Yeah, man. Good.
Let me see them all the time, say man a photographer.
Let me see it now.
Leave me on Instagram. Not forward talk.
Yeah, that's you coming now.
This is when me coming now. This is when me the first scene.
That she coming now. Fire, that she coming now. Hey, Fire. I'm in here, so don't tell you love this place argument.
I pray now.
There. We have to use that. Take a picture of it there. I remember saying you should do the viral call.
The what? The what?
The viral call. Viral call. The call when you call.
Call about the vial, the medicine thing.
When them call the phone call and have the answer back.
Oh.
When I go over there.
Okay.
But then
We can do it tomorrow. We're gonna come on fire. We're gonna come tomorrow morning early.
See?
And they will come in the morning. They can finish. They can finish with all we have to do between the morning and then they can have course. I have to go back. Bye guys.
I make my boy do one bag of something.
Later.
Alright, baby. Be safe.
Picture I go take.
Yes, that is it. Yes, that is it.
I love her so much. Never go for her. Lexi, tell me something about you that not many people know.
If you're going to do an interview, I would implore you not to do it in here. Do it on the outside.
Okay, go ahead. Good quality mic, I forgot to plug it. Look after that.
So people ever tell us, say, yo, when them see you, like when people see you for the first time, they always say, yo, me think you're taller.
Always.
Yes, say that.
Like, me don't know if me taller or I'm short, honestly.
No, you're short. Can me short, I'm taller than you. So, you're short. But anyhow, Lexi, you're no stranger to Jamaica.
Never.
So, what me want you to tell, we know, tell us something we don't really tell. Around a whole heap of people might not know that something about her. But you don't mind having them know.
That's on camera. I don't want to that on camera.
One little hint then?
I'm a body.
Alright. So, your high school. Did you talk to me about that in the last video? No.
No, I did talk to you in a Paradise film. Paradise Mission. My high school, well, I went to the Albertson High School, which is located in Top Trelawney, Albertson. Yeah, the best country school with the young them there. I was strong. So, and
Manning's the best country school though, yeah?
Manning's in the country, Manning's Hill, also.
Yeah, right down south there, country. Yeah. So you used to be an A student in high school?
I am not gonna tell anybody I was an A student. I was, alright, when we just get a grade 7, you have A, B, C, D, E. I was in B.
Oh, so that one B student. So, you know, you probably hang out, like where do you hang out, like during lunchtime or probably after school?
Yes, when we just got high school, like, alright, coming from primary, you know, coming from primary, I go in a grade 7. Remember, you know, you saw me there at primary school, I always hear them say, oh, when I reach a high school, I in a grade 7, I go get beat up. And them usually make me afraid of high school. So when me touch in a grade 7, me did shy, no sense, afraid, whatever. When me get for like broke out, I know say no girl can like, well, me never bother nothing. Me not go say me never no fight either, but you still could come go like you want this me. So all of that coming about grade 9.
But you're not involved in no controversy at high school though?
1 and 2 times, but I never nothing serious, and I can look back and I say, yo, that fight there, you know, we are pitney, we are fit in a little conflict, but I never nothing big. Me never no big war.
Nothing where whole school know you for it.
No, not where whole school know me for. Always just I just drama. The whole school know me for my talent, acting, drama, whatever. That them know me for. Them never know me for no fighting or whatever. I used to love trouble people and laugh after them. Nothing too serious for you come war me though, because you know say I saw me stay.
So differently though, the first person that is not a relative, but try if you know a relative already in your life, outside of family, people, for somebody where you can remember try want to be a part of Lexi life. I don't know if I want a friend or whatever.
Part of my life, like in what way? Comes
You know, like, I don't want to say man and make it look a bit too cliche. But say
Like
somebody
in
just rate you and like and say, oh, John, I want to roll
like you're
with.
talking in general, friendship.
Yeah, like,
and man.
yeah, in general.
Yeah, me usually have best friends, yeah, but you know, like now, I don't really have a best friend. Well, me have a close friend, but true, me wouldn't say, me would call her, because I'm from high school where I roll, isn't it? But
Tell me about
I
that.
never really like my thing.
So hold on, it never work out, it no?
No, me and her is still a friend now.
So yeah, tell me about that one, because remember several friends say me I talk about the teamwork thing, you know, so it me all come back down too.
Alright, to be honest, let me be honest with you. When I was at high school, me usually have friends who do what me do, acting. And me did love that. When me left school now, like to find a friend we love what me love, it never happened.
Rough.
We never find nobody who love camera and want act or whatever, like who have a passion. Like I think that I click with persons who do what I do.
Yeah.
Like if me a click now, alright, say me a click, you see me? And you love go party. You just do the opposite thing from me. I mean, it's not going to work because I go always their own camera, whatever. You go shy and say, Lord God, no make you camera catch me. I not depend on them something.
Yeah.
I don't really like them something they turn me off. So, I never really like say, me have no friend with who, you know, like, but I have a friend here from high school. I still have a friend, you know, from high school and things.
And the friendship strong.
Yeah, man, me and her good, man. Or sometimes she go on like she not sense, but we good.
Alright. So about the man part of it now, I can't imagine the kind of man who can manage you. I can't imagine it.
Oh, you know so. Listen to me. Me a done. I'm a done. And like me not really me not really want talk my love life.
Yeah.
Because I'm a very private girl.
Yeah.
Very, very private. But I think out of all my life, I only love about two smaddy.
John, no.
And the one and the current relationship.
A different militancy that them boss. Big up yourself.
And the recipe. No, me I thought like when I say out of all of the relationship them, X out the one year one meeting like the
brother,
current
and enough woman can say what you just said a while ago.
I truth.
Yeah. Is it me?
It's the truth. And the thing about us, like we Jamaican women, as if when we say certain things, we're not gonna say, oh, me sound like a or whatever. It has nothing to do with harlot or whatsoever. Because Anna, every man can get up and say, oh, every girl I made with we didn't love. No, every boy we me ever talk to, we never in love. I mean, we just have fun and him go film way, me go my way, and them can tell us so.
Simple, big people.
I just big people are big people,
yeah.
right through.
Alright, different. I find man argument, because we don't even want to tell them nothing more. See? So about reading. You like reading, like...
You know, I love to read, but I don't read a lot. And that's, me consider myself lazy. But you see, soon as me drop in at the right, because I remember me telling you, me I go have my own entertainment with my own talent. My own production team. You know, just like how Richard Avuno, whatever. That soon coming I play. So, yeah, man.
Like read, like who, like, you don't read a lot, but...
Soon as me drop in that direction there, you know me have to go read a lot. Because one thing with Fire, he reads a lot.
What you like read? What kind of material I like read though?
I like romantic drama.
Like a novel thing?
Them have something called Wattpad.
Wattpad.
The romantic story them, I make it, when I read you just... I love read them something. I love read dramatic and all of them something. And I love horror shows. You see action movie, Gonna Bus and Arrow, my thing that. And apart from that too, man I come with him bike. Yeah, so apart from that, I like comedy said way. I like every genre. But my main thing is I love action shows, I love horror, and I love like, you know them, what am I saying now? Drama. Like drama thing.
So Lexi, between me and you, who win $1 million? Yo, top player with me, man.
Wait now. The reunion I come up soon. It's gonna be live. So you go watch and see who are going win, who are get prizes, and remember I know we not get a prize or not. So when the reunion come,
say allowed to say them something now? They allowed to tell me when one
No, I don't know when it's the reunion, but it soon come. So when he come, we know who win.
So you think, alright, nothing about no release and no video where the public don't know about where I can share it, or allowed to share it, if you know about.
What do you mean?
Like me don't know no new, like long time now I not see no new video on Cashman TV or 876 thing.
Remember, 876 is a one TV reality series. You don't have anything else where them produce. At least I don't know.
But it's not done, it's not finished yet.
You know, actually now watch you know. You let me ask you a question. You pay for the 12 point whatever for
Oh no.
So you can't go nowhere. You can watch it on my phone though.
Okay.
But we had episode 12. I think that's the last episode I watched.
Oh, so everything not come on YouTube or that? Oh,
no,
okay,
that's why
okay.
I'm not get it wrong. Because all of the episodes are on First in Line JA, which you guys have been told to pay the 12 whatever to go and view it and support.
So who you think win a million?
I do not know.
Me say who you think?
Remember, me have to say myself. Me can't say nobody.
Oh, you think you win it?
Everybody I go feel say them win. What you want me say? That somebody they win. Me not a faith in myself.
It's alright,
Pane. Say me win.
It's alright, on the camera. What you say? Can me feel like you win it, you know?
No, you can't say that.
You say me can't say that. Lexi say me can't say that.
Alright, you're willing to say that. You're willing to say that, but nothing wrong. Cause other people that say, alright, you know, say a Dino winner, a Valdo winner, a Sicily winner, a hot dog winner. Anybody can.
You know, friend, when me feel like say you win, me see them do one video, me see you say a thing where you see anything me put my mind, you see something about, you see anything me say me I go do, or anything I just that me I go do.
That part is a confession. That you watched, that was a confession.
Yeah man, I look myself, you know, so I feel like other girl that win the blouse and skirt money make him attack so.
But no, what me say a while ago, when me say anything me put my mind to, that is in general. Like anything me put my mind to, I go do it. If it take long for do, if it take 3 years for do, me go do it. And okay. That with me. So I mean that is just in general. So if a family, if a friendship, if a boyfriend, if a business, from Alexi put her mind to it, it's a go happen. Okay. So in the future though, that one have like we have 5 points though. In the future though, like what you think you want? One boy or one girl? Come know you want kids. I want a nice baby boy. Nice baby boy. Why not one girl though? I want a girl, but I think I want a boy first. Why a boy? I love boy pitney. I love boy pitney. Alright, good. Baby boys, I love them. So, any man who listen to Lex and hear that? Well, not any man still, because she's in a relationship. So, yeah, I think I like that. Thank you for your time again, Miss Lexi. Anything we want to tell the people? Akeen, you're always welcome. And guys, remember to always check out my Instagram page. It's the same, Lexi the Best. YouTube. You know, say sooner or later, me just at, you know, like when the man them a drive and then just make a solid turn, like, I saw me I got turn to YouTube. Like, me not say, well, that's your Instagram, you know, but when you not go see, I don't really want to talk business, but the turning to YouTube. And the short film. Tell which channel do, because then good day and Lexi the Best. I'm Lexi the Best on every social media platform. TikTok, Instagram, YouTube. How that man? Lexi the Best. How that man? How that man? Mr. Alton. What experience with this man? Girl them God man. Bomba. Girl them cassava. How so you go? I saw him say him label himself so something I say. Okay, girl them cassava.
I'm just a normal person though.
What them labels in the movie them, the galleys, you ever, the girls them man. So you will say, me don't know.
But me not nobody.
Good luck with you and that.
Correct that. I'm not edit that out, dog. I mistake you make. So. Alright, I'm not gonna repeat it. But I think the camera here low down
clear.
How
have you been since you've been here though? You give me some bomba lick, you know, some
you know, say really and truly me not feel good because I know me never really fix you properly. Me give mostly this with the gun, like me did one punch you up, like just some.
But them box them last night and I don't know normal box them.
Fire them no lick. I want me go so with the book.
What? When you did that at school, did you always want to become an actor? You always want to involve in a drama?
Listen to me. Let me tell you something. I wanted to become a solid actor. Right now, I work for my crime.
The crime?
Yeah, because you see the thing about it, me not have a history of sadness.
Okay.
So I don't like me have a bag of things for reminisce and stuff. I more cry. I never really have a bag of sadness, you know? Alright,
so differently now. So can we talk about this thing serious?
Me not cut it. Really and truly, you know. I do comedy, but me love acting more. to be honest, me just do comedy because me can do it. And you know, remember, you know, you're not no limit. For you can do something, you go and do it. So me do it because me can do it. But really and truly, my thing is solid, hardcore acting. And my thing that.
Acting.
So
Right.
Lexi. Alright, that's what I say.
Can you act and
So we formalize the thing. I don't know if we have no school at Jamaica where can give a certification for the arts where. So you do that? You do that?
You know, so from me there high school, I wanted to go to Edna Manley. Me even go online.
So apart from Edna Manley, is there anywhere else where you can get accredited certification?
Yeah, but Edna Manley to me at the top. So I did
okay.
somebody always say, go and think. I may go on online and I download the
You,
resume.
you know what I not like about you sometime too? I remember say that in general. Zine, why not instead of go UA, go UTech and show them say you can have just as brilliant students attend UTech as you'd have at UA. So what me I say is why not frig Edna Manley and go somewhere else because you seem like a natural talent.
So that me I try to say right now me not say me hype or cocky. I don't need Edna Manley. Me can sharpen my own pencil.
Okay.
Can sharpen my craft, you know?
I think so still, but anyways, yeah.
Well, that's true. Cause you know you got some people up there way
Yeah.
teach you things where you don't know.
Yeah,
but
yeah.
you have big actor out there who name got Edna Manley.
Right, so-
And when you look on them and somebody will go Edna Manley, them bigger. So
Close the video for me, my friend.
People left college and I work at call center.
and I work at call center. You crazy?
Just for an example.
Yeah. Me no want nobody will work at call center feel like say they work inferior or not like that.
I'm going to talk my mind about the call center business. Let me tell you something, guys. Call center money is not a big money. You guys are listen to me.
Depends on which one.
Wait now.
Well, I don't want to try as best as possible if not make nobody will work at call center feel offended. Yes.
No, this is no offensive. This is the truth. Let me tell you something. As I say, certain position at call center pays, but we're talking about the minimum. The one them we just sit down. We are talking about them. You guys should be getting more.
Yes.
Well, yeah.
More money. And wait, no, I'm not done yet, car. You see them, and listen, and not only call center. You see Chinese people them too. When you in the Chinese place a stick out thing and a pack this, you fear get more money. How much you think Chinese pay a week?
Government make it.
Tapping eyes and we don't reach our government yet. How much you think the Chinese them pay the people them a week time?
5,000, 6,000.
No man, Akina, how much every 2 weeks?
Why?
For the Chinese or every week? How you go?
My thing
About
started.
Around 8 grand.
a week.
Remember say government used to pay
Listen me now.
now.
Now your thing too, police fee get more than what them get.
No, gosh,
as a
man.
matter of fact now, call center get 8 grand. No, I'm Chinese people 8 grand a week. When I sum up your fear every day for them there like 1 week, then you have to find your own lunch and all them something. There. What is $8,000?
Nothing.
$8,000 is nothing.
You can't even go to supermarket with
You can't even go to supermarket with the 8,000.
So but when you buy a supermarket a week time, Lexi?
Like what you mean?
Like,
Buy a grocery come to all $13,000. Remember me young, you know. Me not live for my own, me live with my mother for now. But me still have my local money when me go shop. Because you know, I want my different snacks. I want my own thing. I not eat up my mother things. But when I go to the supermarket and I buy things, $13,000, $12,000. And uno na, if you want, I not see the bag of grocery and uno de sit down on the body, I do this and I do that and depend on cash.
I not cost them. But anyways,
Listen me.
may I get bored of this now?
Lick out pan them.
No, lick out
People
pan
them
them.
to get more money. And
Why?
I think you guys are too comfortable with it. And
Why?
that's the problem. You know, sit down and take the little money.
Yes.
Akin,
Lexi,
yeah,
yeah.
one of them with them brainwash where you
Lexi,
don't want to talk, you
right
have to
here.
talk.
Lexi. No, I know that. I'm going to tell you one to understand. This is certain battles, you don't take it up. You see me? Not take up certain battles, left it alone.
I am
Not
not
even share your
fighting your
opinion.
battle. I am
Not even
not
share your
fighting.
opinion.
But we have an
You see
opinion.
it now? You know you're still in the slavery mentality because you can't even talk for your own rights. Come
No,
on,
me
Akin.
cheese and peas. Me do that already.
Then if you not do it, you do it already. Me not do it
There's certain
yet.
things
Me
you
they go
can't
do
say.
it now.
There's certain
Me
things
know
you
you
can't
can't say.
But,
In them
alright.
stamp him in the system.
No.
You know like you take you pick them up.
Just start one topic now.
All right.
Start one topic.
Alright, Lexi, can we talk about something more sensitive now?
But
Zine,
what I'm saying is sensitive.
So-
I am representing my black partners, my black sisters, and
Okay.
my black brothers. You guys, forget more pay. That's why me work
You're-
on my own, you know.
your mother would be proud of you.
That's why me work on my own. I
Alright,
collect my own dividend. No government can't
Alright,
call me and say, oh, you're getting paid the 30, whatever.
Alright, thing.
That's what that.
Lexi.
Me want to get paid when me want pay. No, you not pay me when you're ready to pay me, like say. Are you birth? What you say now, sir?
Good, me like how you talk that. As me say, you talk about mother and you talk about birthday and thing and thing. Tell a little bit
About-
about mommy. Is it what relationship with mommy too?
I kind of get like an attitude from my mother.
Is
He
it?
love run joke to and give joke.
She
and
short,
stuff.
see me?
Yeah, she short bad.
Your father shot too?
No, my father tall.
Are you bestie? Like what relationship with mommy? Tell her anything.
No
like,
man, mommy a G man. Mommy is a mommy. Me can't say yo, mommy me a go there so I do a shoot. All right. I know somebody will call on my phone. I am not saying that she fit do it, but as she say me, I tell her the truth. The relationship we have. And she and her mother will say, Lexi, what you did? And she just
And this mother we have to worry about.
Me not
she trusts
fear
her daughter.
worry.
She knows her daughter know understand the
She knows
ground.
me a thugs and me know fi
She know it chopping.
go
Yeah.
through the ground,
She
you
know
know.
it
So she not fear call me phone like me no Christian Pitney with teeth out and gun a man yard. No, she not do that.
So, what about daddy? If we can't talk about daddy, just do so.
Daddy now, yeah, I still vexed with my father. I will let me and him go through. The man they too strict with me. Too strict. And them know. When me did younger, me grew up with my mother and father. When me reach grade 11, my mother leave him and me live with my mother. Come in, you know.
Alright, yeah man, I got too much now. So no close the video for me now, no people. Come close the video now, like.
Yes, people, thank
And
you for
in
watching.
the video smoke.
Thank you for watching.
Listen.
Listen.
I don't have much time in there to do that still, so then.
Thank you for watching, people. This is Lexi.
No,
the
your
best.
vlog this I go fan. I want it to, you know. Come on, put you.
Alright.
What I was gonna say, Akin Lawrence. What my last name Akin? See, me know my last name, you know. I don't know for me. Last name is Williams. But people, Akin Lawrence is where no one there right now. And I'm so when you might interview me, I feel comfortable. Did you feel comfortable when I was interviewing you?
Yeah, man, always this nice.
Right. So people, I want to make sure you subscribe to the man thing, because someone will come and watch and now. It does hard for you to click the subscribe button and watch out the something them and come back and re-watch the something them and watch the ads them and be comfortable
and like them,
and like up and comment. Just do the
Yeah.
right now, people in the ad, you know. So everybody have to make them food. So it was nice talking to you guys.
You want
And
me
we
butter
have-
your bread?
And we have Mr. Alton, Paradise Nation. Alright, big up on yourself, people. I'm out.
Say no, this size of a stop. Slap me now.
Your body does feel chubby.
Where bread will let Lexi have
Very
then?
nice.
Where bread there?
Which bird?
Don't you mean say something about? Oh, never mind. Little more people. Big up on yourself. Yeah, make sure you subscribe. We got it. A quick interview with them.
What can I do?
Come, tell us, we met in Kingston, right? That is where you met Richard Brown Films, right?
Yeah.
So tell me about that little trip then.
I don't know nothing about Richard Brown Films.
Know how the whole meeting happened. At Kingston, that me ask about.
Kingston?
Yeah, then I big out, me know you.
Oi, me not tolerate them kind of behavior there with you. Now you point night man face. Oi!
And she go and she don't know.
Oi!
Kind of fill the house.
Rasta man.
Me hear you say that, Jenna.
No, but here what going on? I know people are going to see I do this in my boss and I not think they respect that. You point up is in night man face, man. Anyways.
Okay.
Yeah, tell what I mean. Go.
Well, I was home and I saw a group of persons come to say that they're going to do a photo shoot, like a video shoot. So that is how I get to meet Richard Brown Films and then...
So what experience so far?
Experience, like...
How you like it? Like
with the photo shooting?
Like everything, the whole experience.
I kind of like it because it's the first and, you know, I enjoy doing it even though it's not something I used to, but I kind of like it. Well, at least I can introduce other persons to it to try it and see how it works out.
Okay. One question. You married?
No, I'm not. Why you ask?
You single?
No.
Okay. No further question. What going on, Rasta?
Me there,
You married?
Rasta married.
You married, Rasta?
Rasta, you married.
Alright, silent mean consent. Silent mean consent. We are going to some
more and not the less.
We are going to go see what.
My interview now?
Who? Mama?
Let me see my
Ladies is more.
Let's make a seat, man. We are going to go see where Richie them are
So why
going.
not untie me?
Alright, you tie up. We never see you say you get tie up.
No, me need to untie. Me need to untie so me can come out and see me can get this
You
wig
can't
off.
get no untimement.
How are going on? So
You know,
50
this
shades.
wig
Cause here I know she
50 Shades of
unrolling.
Grey?
She unrolling. YouTube, she unrolling.
She unruling.
Yeah, she unrolling. So
Okay.
keep her tight.
You are not supposed to be unruling.
Why?
Alright?
Why?
Me not even know. Anyways, how are going on? So 50 shades business.
I untie me. Me
No,
can
me
get.
does.
Anyways, me I go to so. Woman in a handcuff, I don't know why they in a handcuff in there so. Or in a chain. You know, I make they in a chain. Cigarette fire so that's a same way. Oi! I know what go on. People see them a go along up the road. I try to catch them. Alright, so here, so then if you talk about some gunman business, well, I run out of battery too, you know. Run go up there. Run go up there, people. We are run. Run. Papa, this no fit. This no fit. You know. I know say I could have worked with a boy.
Officer Jacob.
Yeah, we're friends out.
Alright. My name office. My name Vin Gasoline.
Alton. I want to ask you one personal question. You sure if you ask you?
Go on now, man.
Go on now, man. But me like I get timid nowadays, you know, but I was all afraid of question, you know. Anyways, where you say I go on for video now? I want to shoot.
This is the lockdown part 2.
Lockdown part 2.
The lockdown with the bartender part 2.
So you don't post nothing from me neither. You don't see nothing about Paradise Nation.
Well.
Now what going up with some?
Me made space not so right now.
Okay. Yeah, I got through a lot. You get counseling?
Me need to see one still.
Oh. I thought to take it too rough. Shaka! Yes, I have party out blouse and skirt. That's what me hear, I don't know. Tell who I go on. Set the record straight. And them tell me say a party. So how do we do it in the end?
Come on.
Is a piece of wood, brethren? I want to know. No piece of wood she have in her hand?
No!
I wanna go.
Tick. Nah.
Wanna go?
Right, shoot, come round.
Okay. I feel like following, you know, because I go boring. Now I get no joke.
AJ, what up, sir? When you come on the road, Zane? Wait now. No. You come on the road. Listen now. You go up there, sir. And you come on the road, the police must see you and ask you where you are on the road, and you tell them, say, what you tell them, say?
In there, direct young actor.
What tell them say? What you say?
No.
No.
You tell them,
No, I'm not act. I don't know now.
You tell them, say, yeah. You must see you on the road and question. Don't look for me, you know. Go on, way up.
How much more left in that bag, my boss?
Alright. Right there, sir.
I didn't say one pitney and a pitney, you know.
3, you're not pitney either. One more, I'm good.
One more? Okay. So, all the ladies... Oh, never mind.
Eh?
Not my business, that.
When you say ready, them are walk and ready. Remember, if you don't look for me, just walk and mind no business.
Papa, you like you have sclerosis like me?
Huh?
You like you have scoliosis like me?
Come on, Terry Road. Stop.
I want to wait, man.
Ready. Papa, ready? Papa, I'm ready. Walk, man, walk.
Understand this is not the force, but this force run. You see, right now, coming on the street, want to check the bartender right now because we don't have that.
You finally get off the handcuff him, or chain.
Finally untie me so I could actually walk and see what.
She never tell me say I want part of that play a while ago.
Part? Yeah, I was taking part of it.
So what do you do to you in that scene? Eh?
Well, that scene now is a scene where I've been tied up and my fiance gone to buy breakfast.
So him tie up?
No, there was gunman tie me up.
Okay.
Yeah.
Where's the gunman?
You.
Lady, where's the gunman?
You.
Gunman in she hole, she like that.
Where you get that?
Gunman in she hole, she like that.
That Jordan, yeah.
Gunman in your hole.
Eh?
Gunman in your hole. Gunman a hoogie in your hole. Oh. Yeah.
No.
Big up yourself. Subscribe to the boss.
Jordan, friend or cousin, that which one? Are the friend or the cousin?
Or the brother?
Almost the brother.
Look at very expensive.
Come back.
Almost Jordan, friend or cousin. Oh God.
You have to go buy him one pair, you know, because they are custom man shoes.
Buy Jordan, no pair of Jordan.
You don't spend money on a man like you don't buy him and things.
No,
Yeah, but you must
go
spend for me though.
Jaja. Why most you that spend on a man at once?
At once?
Yeah.
It depends on what he wants.
Nice.
Boss, you know.
Come on, where are you on the road?
Come on, shoot that shoot.
Wait up,
Come again, man.
Alright, I stop interrupt your shoot, my boss. Sorry.
Let's go right now. Yeah.
Today I go? Tomorrow?
Yes, sir. Ready? Yeah, ready.
This is wrong, so to go and I have a check. Come on, where are you on the road? Just go here to wait with the family.
Come again.
Daddy.
So I'm gonna catch you in your face.
Same thing. Same thing.
The family them in the yard.
Yeah, where I come?
No, I'm see Rasta man I call them.
So when you shoot the camera,
Behind the scenes.
let me put you behind the scene.
Come on. You have me in a focus? You sure? She want to record the people. So why you step back?
Alright, go on. Straight home.
Question me. You want to question me?
How old are you?
I'm
Yeah, so you actually don't know your age? 30?
30.
I'm not lie, you look more than 30 though. I'll head me gone.
45.
You're 45?
I'll be honest now, 45.
Oh, alright.
Yeah, you sure the camera there for me? You're not a good camera girl. Give me a camera.
But the camera on you?
You're not shakes and look like you're a point though. How old are you?
30.
Oh, I forgot you did say it. That's him. So you don't have no more questions, miss? Come, press this button so it focuses on me. And make
This
sure
one?
yes. And make sure I say it turned green. It's green now?
Yeah.
Alright, good. So, how old am I? 30 years old. Actually, I'm not trim up, man. I got trim up.
Well, I need to visit the barber.
Yeah, but I said that in a previous video. Next question. Yes, I'm a virgin too.
No, you're not a virgin. Honestly, not a
Feel
virgin.
attacked.
Nope.
I am a virgin. Anyways, moving
Virgin
on.
still exists?
Yeah, me.
Not you.
Next question.
You live here? Where you from?
I'm on a place named Strawberry. Them not have no strawberry there.
Where you from? One place named Strawberry. Is it in Negril, Westmoreland, wherever? In
But
Westmoreland.
you're in Westmoreland too.
Well, whichever.
The place named Strawberry where I come from. Yeah.
So where do so far?
Next question, because I do filming and people here like filming, so I'll be
So what
here.
going for the shoes there? What going for your slippers?
I say, I'll walk out sitting this man country. How I try to? Well,
No, my told them want to do, you know. Them honestly want to do.
okay, so my green same way?
Yeah, green same way.
Some more questions. Where am I from? Strawberry. I'll go into the super stage.
You're married?
No, I haven't been in a relationship from birth.
From birth?
Yeah, single. Alright, so I get back some battery. And this is where it caught us. Yeah, lockdown episode that bartender Jamaican series. So make we go back out the door and find back people and what got question we. I just get some behind the scenes.
Alright, I'm telling you, we know what talk to an extent. Like, what you man them do normally? Like, do whenever they get work.
Of course.
I change it.
Yeah, change it.
No, you have to tell it to you.
So here how me I go justify my answer. You know what I hear?
Tell me your name.
I'm 6 years old.
Your name. Let her hear your name.
Alright, no, nice. Watch out. Right, shoot. Go inside the front top. Do. Ready, let's go. Have a dream until you can up with it. Let me tell you the truth. This is a bad man and you. I am not normal. And when you go over the port station, do you think you can manage them? So, you have to buy it right now. Come on, I'm home yourself, man. Soon get man. Alright, so after if you want, you want. I'm going to involve in a conversation. You talk about the road, but give him a conversation. Talk. What you want to do?
And give me a rum cream.
You want running belly, man. What kind of rum cream? No, you're talking. You ready?
Come on.
Okay, so
Look again. They're talking. Come on.
Come on.
Nice, am I here? Ready now?
Me
want to do something that makes sense. I'm not talking about
the bad
man. You know? You can't say it's true. Because I love my life, you know. I look at my yard there. I just start them. I don't want to for my now. You know what I mean? Plus, when I get a picnic, and we work, we try work on a picnic. You know what I mean? Then we go to Roma. So something make sense and impact on the story. Yeah, ready? Let's go. What's the noise now? We are here. Record. I'm talking here now. We're talking now. Ready now, let's go.
dangerous.
The time now, we talk.
But he might laugh,
No, can you turn up their voice?
He said,
But you talk now, talk about that two man. Alright, now, no, the man. Talk about you look man, we have a yard, we have to come and picnic. Ready, let's go.
True, you know, true, yeah, tell her, hey, just get my little boyfriend, you know. Don't want this, let him, you know. Right now, I'm afraid of them, you don't want this, let me, man. And then him just start there, so you don't want this, let him.
No, you understand what you're talking about. But next time, talk about this, man, no?
David! Yeah, shoot! Right, let's go. Shoot it! Wait, give me one conversation. I'm not talking about what?
Oh, we don't know about the kidney.
I thought I punch you and I try to run for you.
Wow, if I pick me for me.
Yeah, man, I try to come and pick me now. You just have to go and remember to come and pick me. Come on, man. Punch you, man.
Ready.
First part good enough. Second part this. Ready, let's go.
So, you find a local man, so what else you need?
You know, someone if I'm going to give my son, or give my child.
You understand that? That's a big deal. I wouldn't go for the car.
I know Mama can't manage it to blood. Punch. Mama punch it, yo! Yeah, me I work on it, man. I want to make it be like vibe. Make it done. Take it there. Take it back there. If I forget, make it take it there. Because you punch the second part. Good. The pump if you punch. Because I'm overshot, you can't talk, you know. You don't talk.
I don't mean to tell you.
You're a woman, you're supposed to talk because people listen if you talk.
Ready, Papa. So you understand what you're talking about now. So we're going to have a drink, and when the time up, we go out with yard, and then you can have a little child where you want to have. And next time you can figure man and people get a child for us. Come on now.
Come back. Lock the door there. Lock the door there. Lock the door. Lock the grill on the door. Lock the grill on the door.
Slipper. Your pass slipper. Sure.
You want the brew?
And then the size is nothing like.
Yeah.
Big yam. Big yam. Big yam. Lock the door. Lock the door.
Come.
No, you're up in the grill and going there. We're not going to do it. Ready. Nice. Ready. Wait, come back. Yandy, if you do that senior, you can come, make him come out and talk to him, because do all that senior, that best makes sense. You know what I mean? We're going to go and look at this senior and come out. So make him come and go to do what we are.
After I drape up.
Yandy, you hear me, Yandy?
Yeah. Not drape up, drape post.
Yeah, American.
Because somebody in the officer drape up. It's post.
Come on. Step back on that, out of the frame, out of the front again. Say the conversation again. We're not talking about the... You want to give man one baby? Here?
Go long, man. Go
Talk.
from spot.
Don't go. That man that's Talk, if you want to go, man. Laugh and talk, man. Go in, what you do? Go in. Walk back. That's what I can't look at. Go on here, go. Don't go. Because my time them don't shoot it. Don't go. Let them call it. Alright. Yandy, you're not going to do it? No. You're not going to do it.
And then when you knock it door for a while, you just say, me man, wait name, just call the name.
Officer Jacob.
But go in there, man. You open the grill. Open the grill. You go there, so. Go now. Police! Officer exercise there.
Bartender.
Bartender, me man, a regular customer.
A Jacob, you know.
I go in there, lock down here.
You know?
Yeah. I just after Jacob, go to the cable. Ready?
No, right?
Ready. Alright. Let's go.
Bartender, Officer Jacob, man.
Okay, alright, my big friend, now come.
Wait,
come on.
Come quick, can give some time, man.
Man, forgive me time for lose the chain after.
No, you're not a chain funny, man, because free chain. But we are saying, we have to give permission to come. So when the car, when you knock one time, you answer. If you knock two times, when you two times, you answer.
Yo, come again.
Ready, let's go. Let's go.
Officer Jacob, you know. Bartender. You know what I'm lockdown and we come from a special.
Okay, hold on there. Now come.
Hurry up, them like them corner here, you know. Wow. Wait, you locked down with one in there.
If you laugh, if you are drunk, you better have a friend. Yeah.
Come down, man, with you.
No, you're not drunk yet.
Come get it.
But you just know, so you laugh now for the see woman. Tell her that girl, I'm moving there.
Yes, I'm locked down.
Man, that fine. Man, that fine.
Come again, knock again.
Man, that fine. We can't come in.
Officer Jacob, you know, bartender. One. You're the fan lockdown. You don't know something special we come from.
Hold on there, now come.
Tell her, give her one there, you see. I tell you, why man, they are finding the car, locked in and then time up the boom.
No, we can't do that.
Since when?
Because he market before he goes.
Well, market is two different things. Mine chart say one shit.
No, me no in a way, you know.
What offer? We get the special.
Where you come?
One special.
Wait. Come again, Kenny, because I don't want you just jump in and aggressive vibes so fast.
Yeah, you can go there, man, if you want. After I two drop in it, I'm telling you. After two drop, you can go there. Anyway, where come up from? Because the background in there, you know, I'm trying to get him a fire. I'm chatting tonight, but yeah. But I'm more able to do. Conversation. Kicking up. Let's go. Come, in a character.
No, you don't have to touch the door, me push the door.
Ready, let's go.
Alright, go on. You
can wave to her, wave to Candy Tina, man. They want rum Tina, man. Along with the police and all, you know. So you can wave to her.
Go on. Yeah, lockdown. If you have lockdown, no, man. So what? Man, they are following the car. Come lockdown. You know where about that? He marking, I say smart. Anyway. Yeah, but that's special to come, man. No, I want that aggressive one. I tell you. Woo! See, you have to come get a special when you buy a lockdown.
Alright. Come get you one. Let's say the first part mechanic so I get you.
Don't worry, man.
So Candy, when you have go back, lock the door and say me I come there. You can't be open up to have to go in there. So I can do that, I go for more drink a rum still, but I'm going to say Baaddest.
Alright.
Yes.
I'm a talk back.
One give one half flask.
Start back, Papa.
But you get two bags of serious to them, you know.
No.
But you want to get me that door. You say, well, anyway, where you come from? You know, you have trouble, and a normal routine. You're my friend.
A police, I'm going to try this.
Yeah.
Stop, follow me.
You know what you know the right thing for after now, but shit.
I'm not right now. I'm a talk back. Where you come from?
Special.
You know, say your son over there, yeah, this is a home. But
you know you must have something there.
I go for one class and come here. Hold on, something.
Yeah.
Right.
That's it, come here.
The door locked.
Yo, so what you can do now? You can talk to she now, make it make sense, and talk to her and say, yo, here what? It's when to permit or anything, I'm give them permit, and they rate me, you have help out people, you know, come and say, you're civilian, you know, you're police once, or whatever. Civilian twice, police once. Right. So you tell her that.
Yeah, once a police, twice a civilian.
Once a police, twice a civilian. Talk to she, make more sense of a conversation.
Really?
Turn it down.
See, it's when they learn. I'm making them permit still, you know. So when you get them permit.
Alright, come now, let's see. So you have to live with people, you know.
Really? You see, I say I believe go to people. I'm making them permit. So when they get them permit, you get your room free at class, you know.
Candy, why you call me for Candy? So you show.
Not yet.
Let me nice live video first.
What's that?
Real room? Push. Real room?
Ready?
John must start up on the general. In Spitfire.
One cool and knock over here, man. That's not better for doing it.
Yeah, mean, go on easy, huh?
Just go and drink and go and ease myself. I mass up for Corona.
Officer Jeffers said when he come in on the force, him come in on the drink rum.
Tap chat out the people, I'm sure.
Good day. No, some always have to do this thing, but don't drink so water, but you have something to do with it, and watch movie.
I don't understand what you said a while ago, but general.
The girlfriend role.
Where's the boy movie then?
Kind of like it for the sister and the girlfriend role, because never really play them type of style.
Okay, so you like your role where you play? Alright.
In can't carry no chicken back on the can't steak and
So you going man them treat you?
no, them treat me cake because them look good, look nice, them like me.
You like you put on weight, man.
They tell you up on the tree, they lock down, or what for food. Just eat it a go, just snacks, just eat it a go, so.
Are you pregnant?
No, I'm not pregnant.
God no. Belly like it a girl do.
I just belly this.
Belly. Be a belly.
Just belly, I'm not pregnant belly. It's a Jamaican, but I'm not pregnant belly.
You're 9 months.
No, 9 months belly can't look so.
No, I give you 9 months.
You can't give me 9 months of pregnant. Woman can pregnant less than.
No, you're pregnant already, I give you 9 months sleep in the barn.
She's right, look man.
So I want to
go normal. Yeah, you're just like kind of mirror.
I'm chopping.
You kind of suggested.
What?
Zigzag.
One person missing from a BTS, so I'm not see so far, but him be there. Richie, how you going?
I'm going on the road and soon come back.
Oh.
And I told you, so far back.
But I'm not like the time hot door.
You have to just go normally, man. You know, when it cover up, you know, you can go river, go on easy.
How are we going up to?
So, I mean, it's so up. Just you're not here.
But them said that show your name Prison Break?
No.
Lockdown
bartender part 2.
Lockdown bartender part 2. So good man, I have some more. So, yeah. I know I need to focus, man. I see that button now? See it turn green now?
Yeah.
Yeah. That's how it goes when you understand the camera. So, I hit that for the behind the scenes. I make them to your talk a little bit and then we end the video. So, that's all I want to go on at Jamaican City and da. My chat da. Later, subscribe, like, go over the whole of the channel, man. Subscribe, do everything to make an algorithm.
Put it on bunny down.
Say bunny down.
Bunny down.
When I say I don't like how we not do nothing, you can use the time and create something. Let's say about that package.
That sound good. That sound good. I'll post this right now.